Hello everyone, this is John Diaz here, reporting live here from the Blue Knob Ski Resort. We're getting a lot of snow here today. It's pretty windy today, and so far there's probably a couple inches down, starting to cover the grass. And as you can see, they're calling for about 20 to 40 mile per hour winds. So it's pretty windy already. And they're calling for about anywhere possibly up to 8 inches of snow. So for the people who like snow and skiing and snowboarding, this will be a good place to come to. The road's starting to get snowed over. The plow just went by. I don't know if the ski's going to be in operation this week, and I could only think so because it'll start warming up, I think, on Monday and Tuesday, but then it'll get cold again. Looks like the plow already came through on both directions. We're going to drive down to Claysburg and see if it's snowing down there. I think the plow's just come on the other side on the way up to the ski, but it's probably working its way turning around. So it's only gone in one direction, but the road's just starting to get snowed over. It's probably about 1 inch on the road. But it'll be snowing all day today. You're going to be calling up from anywhere to 5 to 8 inches, probably. Knowing this place, it'll probably be around that, maybe even more. With the windshield temperature right now, it's 20 degrees up here. And it'll only get colder. I can only assume that with the wind and the temperature, that in Claysburg it's probably sticking as well, but we'll see. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's a different scenario down below than up here. I'm driving in a front wheel drive Toyota Prius, and so far everything's looking good. Hopefully by the time I get back the plows will have gone through. They're just starting their work because the road's starting to snow over now, but so far it's not too bad. They might have gone through here already, putting down some salt maybe. Yeah, it looks like they threw down salt. Now this place, it's November 22nd today, Friday, but this will be the first snowfall. Yesterday it started snowing very lightly, just kind of like a dusting. But today it's definitely going to stick. It's already sticking, as you can see. But up here there's been snowfalls as early as October. I think the one that fell in October was several feet of snow that they got at that time. This was well over 10 years ago from what I'm told. I didn't get out of the car today because it's windy out there and the microphone will not sound good with the wind. As you see, as you go lower in elevation, there's less snow. That's why I said let's drive down to Claysburg and see what it's looking like down there. In case you're wondering, I'm downshifting, so the engine, it's doing its thing. Well, as you can see down here in Claysburg, Pennsylvania, it's definitely sticking. The snow's sticking. Starting to stick at least. You can see the bridge is always ice over first. And it's cold and windy, so it'll definitely stick today, and so there'll be snow here in the Altoona region. Pretty much the surrounding area will be covered in snow. Not sure about the forecast for anywhere else, but I wasn't honestly expecting this, but I should have known it was snowing yesterday a little bit, but wasn't paying attention to the weather. The road conditions down here look good. Just pretty much wet at the moment, not too bad. Out here looks like a bit less snow than up there, of course, but we'll see how it looks later today. Thank you to the farmers out there. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the drive. First snowfall of the season. Hope everybody stays safe out there. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to the channel. And I hope you have a nice day today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.